Happy birthday to you, my sister, my friend, my daughter, Sandra Agbogun, aka Ogwaligo, the member of Alaudao group. When I say Alaudao, success Ayagberian, Cubana Large Club, where they for Belly the Zoo, for Turkey, for Istanbul. Now there you want to celebrate your birthday this Friday 26. Cubana Large Club, waiting for Belly the Zoo. My sister, I happy with you. I happy for you. God go bless you. I dey happy for your success. All my brothers and sisters, wait there for Istanbul, wait there for Turkey. I bet make una go Cubana Large Club, wait there for Belly the Zoo. Make una go join this, my sister, celebrate. Follow me. Make I show you. Even today, me I want to go jolly with my sister, Sandra Agbogun Ogwaligo. I want to go jolly with her. Cubana Large Club, with the Belly the Zoo. Sandra, me, Akoberian, with Naidiato, the president of Akobegang, Utuala Udao, Success Ayagberian, Agberian Talon 1. See, not study me, you not go graduate. You try. I greet you, my brother. God bless. Cubana Large Club. Sandra, I happy with you. God bless you. Bye.
Good morning, everyone. Good afternoon. Good evening. Today is a special day in the life of Sandra Agbogun. I came out, I said, let me personally wish her well because she's doing well. Let me personally wish her happy birthday by making this video. Sandra Agbogun, this is your video. I wish you many more years. Prosperous year. May God Almighty continue to bless you. I want you to know that you are surrounded by wonderful people around the world. Wato, my beloved sister. This is from Atatewan of Bologna. I love you, my sister. Happy birthday. Celebrate. May God Almighty continue to uplift you into a more greater height. Edo people, celebrate Sandra Agbogun. Already Turkey. We go celebrate. Bye.
You see, you know everything now. You know why they do it and they do so. You know why we decide to coach you for video. May I shock you? Hold on.
Yes. Now today. So it's a look. Sky Prince, Sky Bang Bang, the latest Eromomo of Benin. Happy birthday to you, Sky Prince.
You see all the precious wishes, all the good things you wish me, eh? I return them back to you times 100 because now your day. Enjoy.
Lady Sandoka, let go.
It's Hitmakers.
when you get the code, the Mejaga Gogo. If you're going with this woe, if you're going with Timeo, a choir song, Yamuwa. When you get the code, the Mejaga Gogo. If you're going with this woe, if you're going with Timeo, a choir song, Yamuwa. When you get the code, the Mejaga Gogo. If you're going with this woe, if you're going with Timeo, a choir song, Yamuwa.
Hey, my people, I know if you tell us today, I must come and say today. Because today, a queen was born. I beg, I no call you come motivate anybody today. But before I go starting, I want me to listen to the queen latest song. Oh, oh, oh. Play that song for me. Hey. Hey now, if I see my start to dance for nothing tomorrow, people go feel say I dey crazy. They'll say this ass get this out to local, they'll say they mad from Yekongba. Yes now good music. Now what they listen to now. Now music where Sandra Agbogu sing now. Now I want they dance to now. Yes now because today a queen was born, an epitome of natural beauty, beauty with brain, black and shine, black don't crack, my black diamond. Who are we talking about? Ije no gie. Ije no ege no ame yakbomu. Ije no ga yoba kanwa ehona hue. Uhegbe ni mose. Ije akono dane nesia. Yes now, the best actress of the year. Actress we know they come social media and they rant. Like you know go fit see her they rant online. Actress when they visit UK like water. Actress when if go UK without visa. Yes now, who are we talking about? We are talking about Sandra Agbogu, aka Sandoka, one of UK. Now me give you the title, just the use and the go, mama. Who say I come with you this happy birthday? It's not that person, but the person when get love for you. Person when be say, hey God, it dey carry everybody along. Mr. Chop I Chop, the Ohaikili one of Ogbelaka. He said, make I come wish you happy birthday. The chairman, when the chairman people, the chairman's chair, when chairman me, when make me be able to look for me, yes now. Okay, get listen, me I can't tell you, say, he get big love for you. Mama, you deserve all the best things in life because hey, you not woman what they do for everybody and you not go expect make people not do for you. Mama, okay, I get our friends. Say make I can't wish you happy birthday. They say they love you so much. Woman when you don't see millions, we still humble like that. Mama, they say make I can't tell you say they too love you with all their hearts. They say you too get respect. Ah God, they see celebrity when humble. Now your body are for sian. Mama when you go smile, go the hungry you make you dash and 1 million naira. We must say mama, happy birthday to you, Sandra Agbogu, aka Sandoka, one of UK. Yes now, mama, I love you. Happy birthday to you. Me, I to look from Yekogba. I personally wish you happy birthday, Sandoka. Wadogu me mami maya ni mogo me no mao. Wawese iyo bonu wari me.
These drinks, this was Igbo stick them now. What do you want is the thing?
Carry this drink, come out. It is silent for those people who know how to make person progress. Make him drink this drink, come out.
Which person so?
She, lady,
Oh, see, make I tell you. Not the only chief, chief, Sandoka. Then they say people they talk bad. People every time I say she not good. all who wey tajo, all of them go tare.
Let me keep bring am come out now.
All these drinks, so forget him. Yam no case.
Photo.
Lady Sadoka,
AKA Lady Boy.
AKA
Lady Sadoka.
AKA
She Lady Sadoka.
AKA.
Oh, the AKA too long.
See, he don turn to AK-47. Everybody know how to hand for Lady Chief Sadoka matter. Na AK-47. Na dem go take 2 letters. Make I tell you, Mama Sadoka.
Yes.
Anybody wey wan see you go down low, na those people, na dem go first go down.
Yes, that was sure. Yes.
Anybody wey say you no go must for life, oh my God, those people dem go go lie down for ground, dem go dey beg you for help. Anybody wey say anything wey you dey do, you no go progress. Oriyan, because the more that they pray make you go down, the more you dey go higher.
The earlier we realize this, the earlier every one of you realizes, the better it will be for us.
They no dey lis ten to side talk. That's why my name be let them say. Man, as you dey